Hey y'all, welcome back to the Project DIY channel. On today's project, we're going to strip the rust and the seasoning off of our Blackstone Griddle. Let's get started. I picked a perfect day to work on the Blackstone. Just had a nice storm yesterday, and it's very cold here today. Now I usually keep my Blackstone under a cover, but as you can see, we assumed that since it was under the roof of our back porch that it wouldn't get wet. Not the case. Rain blew in through the screen, got the top wet, and right here where we cook the most, we've got a lot of rust. So my plan for this is to strip everything off, rust and all, and then put a new coat of seasoning on it. There's a couple of different ways you can strip these, and from what I can tell, the easiest way is with a wire brush on a drill, but I'm going to try a wire brush on a right angle grinder. I've also got a Scotch-Brite pad that I'm going to try to use to get into the corners and the places where the grinder can't get to. So let's see how this does. So as you can see, that did pretty good at getting the rust off of it, but not the old coating. So I'm gonna have to see if I can find something else that'll work better. So I turned on my griddle. That seems to be working a little better. It is starting to come off now, so I'll let that heat up and we'll try that. Had to get a little more serious. Switched over to a flat disc. Got this most of the way done. That seasoning on here was so thick that I had a hard time getting it off. So we got it as good as we need to get it for right now. It'll season up just fine. Be good to go. So I'm gonna finish cleaning this off and then we'll get it seasoned. To season a Blackstone, you get it really hot, put your oil on, spread it out, then you let it start smoking. Don't know if you can see that or not. Got a little smoke coming off of it. And then once you've done that, you do it again, and again, and again. I usually do it about 6 times, and then you should be good to go. Smoke coming off. Burners are starting to discolor the metal a little bit, so we're about ready to turn it off. It's really cold out here. It should cool down pretty quick. All right, 6th and final go around is done. Turn him off, let him cool off. That's gonna about wrap this one up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video on stripping the seasoning off of a Blackstone griddle. Hopefully you learned something, and if you did, hit that like button, and I sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe. Thanks guys, see ya.